Hi everyone. Today the topic is fugacity and fugacity coefficient for species in solution. For species I in a mixture of real gases or in a solution of liquids, the equation is written as mu I is equal to gamma I of t plus RT ln Fi cap. Here, Fi cap is the fugacity of species I in solution and it replaces the product XIP. So here, the chemical potential provides a criteria for phase equilibrium. According to the equation, mu I power alpha is equal to mu I power beta and so on equal to mu I power pi. So here I is equal to 1, 2 and so on n. Since all phases in equilibrium are at the same temperature, another equation is Fi cap power alpha is equal to Fi cap power beta, which is equal to Fi cap power pi. Again, I is equal to 1, 2 and so on equal to n. So from this equation, we can say the multiple phases at the same temperature and pressure are in equilibrium when the fugacity of each constituent species is the same in all phases. This equilibrium criteria is applied by chemical engineers in the solution of phase equilibrium problems. So for multi-component vapor liquid equilibrium, Fi cap power V is equal to Fi cap power L. Here I is equal to 1, 2 and so on N. Then the definition of residual Gibbs energy is G residual is equal to G minus Gig. Multiplying this equation by N gives NGR is equal to Ng minus Ngig. Differentiating this equation with respect to Ni at constant temperature, pressure and Nj gives the equation as dou of Ngr by dou Ni at constant temperature, pressure, Nj, which is equal to dou of Ng by dou Ni at constant pressure, temperature, Nj, minus dou of Ngig by dou Ni at constant pressure, temperature, Nj. So this can be simplified as Gi bar residual is equal to Gi bar minus Ga bar Ic. This equation defines the partial residual Gibbs energy Ga bar residual. Subtracting the chemical potentials, mu I minus mu I Ig is equal to RT ln Fi cap by Xi into P. Since mu I is equal to Gi bar residual is equal to RT ln phi I cap. So here phi I cap is equal to Fi cap by Xip. So this dimensionless ratio phi I cap is called the fugacity coefficient of species I in solution. For an ideal gas, Ga bar residual is necessarily 0. Then phi I cap Iz is equal to 1. So Fi cap Iz is equal to Xip. Thus, the fugacity of species I in an ideal gas mixture is equal to its partial pressure. So the definition of residual property is M residual is equal to M minus Miz. M is molar value of thermodynamic property of fluid and Mig is the value if the fluid were an ideal gas of the same composition at the same temperature and pressure. Then Mi bar residual is equal to Mi bar minus Mi bar Iz. Another mathematical identity is d of Ng by RT is equal to 1 by RT d of Ng minus Ng by RT square into dt. Substitution for d of Ng and G gives d of Ng by RT is equal to Nv by RT into dP minus Nh by RT square into dt plus sigma I Gi bar by RT into dNi. So for the special case of an ideal gas, the equation can be written as d of Ngiz by RT is equal to Nviz by RT into dP minus Nhiz by RT square into dt plus sigma I Gi bar Iz by RT into dNi. So by subtracting the equations, d of Ngr by RT is equal to Nvr by RT dt minus Nhr by RT square dt plus sigma I J bar residual by RT into dNi. So this equation is the fundamental residual property relation. Another equation by introducing the fugacity coefficient is given as d of Ngr by RT is equal to Nvr by RT dP minus Nhr by RT square dt plus sigma I ln phi I cap into dNi. So dividing the equations by dP and restriction to constant temperature and composition leads to Vr by RT is equal to dou of Zr by RT by dou P at constant temperature, composition. Similarly, dividing the equation by dt and restriction to constant pressure and composition gives Hr by RT is equal to minus T dou of Zr by RT by dou T at constant pressure, x. From the above equation, ln phi I cap can be written as dou of Ngr by RT by dou Ni at constant pressure, temperature, Nj. So this equation demonstrates that ln phi I cap is a partial property with respect to Gr by RT. Similarly, we can write dou of ln phi I cap by dou P at constant temperature, x is equal to Vi bar residual by RT. Similarly, dou of ln phi I cap by dou T at constant pressure, x is equal to minus Hi bar residual by RT. So here, ln phi I cap values are partial properties with respect to Gr by RT. The summability relation becomes Gr by RT is equal to sigma I xi ln phi I cap. So ln phi I values must conform to the Gibbs-Duhem equation, and that gives sigma I xi d ln phi I cap is equal to 0 at constant temperature and pressure. So this comes from the equation sigma I xi d mi bar is equal to 0. That is a Gibbs-Duhem equation. So this is the final relation for the species in the solution. So sigma I xi d ln phi I cap is equal to 0. So this is the today's topic. If you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you very much.